ready for a splashy time. Here comes the Mosasaurus. This giant sea reptile lived in oceans during the dinosaur age, near today's Europe, North America, and Africa. The Mosasaurus wasn't a dinosaur, but a marine reptile that loved eating fish, turtles, and even smaller sea creatures. It could grow over 15 meters long. With its flippers and strong tail, the Mosasaurus was a speedy swimmer. Isn't the Mosasaurus a prehistoric superstar? This is a octopus. The octopus is a super smart sea animal that lives in oceans all around the world, from Japan to the United States and many other countries. The octopus likes to eat crabs, fish, and even shrimp. With its 8 arms, the octopus can hide in rocks and play with colourful shells. It usually lives about 1 to 3 years, and it enjoys exploring the sea floor. This is a cat. Hello, furry fans. Meet the adorable cat, one of the most loved pets in the world. The cat lives in homes across almost every country, from the USA to Japan and beyond. It enjoys eating fish, meat, and crunchy cat food. A cat can live about 12 to 16 years. These animals love chasing toys, climbing furniture, and curling up in warm, sunny spots. The cat is playful, gentle, and a wonderful friend for families everywhere. This is a hyena. Hello, wild friends. Today we meet the hyena, a clever animal that looks a bit like a dog, but is very different. The hyena lives in grasslands and savannas in countries like Kenya, Tanzania, and South Africa. It eats meat, often hunting in groups or sometimes finding leftovers from other animals. The hyena can live about 20 years and loves staying with its clan. Isn't the hyena a smart and powerful animal of the wild? Slither surprise! Let's learn about a sneaky reptile, the cobra. Cobras live in forests, grasslands, and farms in countries like India, Thailand, and parts of Africa. A cobra eats small animals like frogs, rats, and even other snakes. Most cobras live around 20 years. A cobra loves hiding in quiet places and can lift its head to look super tall. With its fancy hood and careful moves, the cobra is one amazing snake to discover. This is a squid. Hello, ocean buddies. Let's meet the clever squid, a sea animal with long arms and a soft body. The squid lives in oceans all over the world, from Japan to the USA. It enjoys eating fish, shrimp, and other small sea creatures. A squid usually lives about 1 to 3 years. These animals love swimming fast, changing colors, and squirting ink to hide from danger. The squid is quick, smart, and one of the coolest creatures in the sea. Saikatai, this is a eagle bird. Hi, Sky Watchers. Meet the mighty eagle bird, a strong hunter with sharp eyes and big wings. The eagle bird lives in many countries across the world, from the mountains of America to the forests of Asia and Africa. It enjoys eating fish, rabbits, and other small animals. An eagle bird can live about 20 to 30 years. This is a Triceratops. Hi, dino friends. Let's meet the Triceratops, a dinosaur with 3 big horns and a bony frill on its head. The Triceratops lived in North America about 68 million years ago. It ate plants like ferns and palm leaves while walking on 4 strong legs. The Triceratops could live around 20 to 30 years and enjoyed staying in herds for safety. Isn't the Triceratops a strong and amazing dinosaur from the prehistoric world? This is a spider. Hi there, friends. The spider is a tiny creature that lives almost everywhere in the world. A spider makes webs in houses, gardens, forests, and caves. This spider eats insects like flies and mosquitoes. Spiders can live 1 to 3 years. The spider is very patient, waiting quietly in its web to catch food. This is a mandrill. Hello, jungle explorers. The mandrill is a colorful monkey with a bright red and blue face and a golden beard. You can find mandrill in the rainforests and savannas of Central Africa, especially in countries like Gabon and Cameroon. A mandrill enjoys eating fruits, roots, insects, and small animals. They usually live about 20 to 25 years. Mandrill love staying in large groups, climbing trees, and searching for food on the forest floor. They are playful, social, and very amazing animals. Let's glide through the icy sea and meet the smiling beluga whale. Beluga whales live in cold oceans near countries like Canada, Russia, and Greenland. A beluga whale eats fish, squid, and crabs. It can live up to 50 years. These white whales love to swim in groups and are great at making sounds to talk to each other. Can you say beluga whale? Yay! Beluga whales are bright, friendly, and super fun. This is a brown lemur. Hello, jungle buddies. The brown lemur is a small primate with soft brown fur and a long tail. You can find brown lemur only on the island of Madagascar in Africa, living in forests and woodlands. A brown lemur enjoys eating fruits, leaves, flowers, and sometimes insects. They usually live about 20 to 25 years. Brown lemur love climbing trees, jumping from branch to branch, and staying in family groups. They are playful, social, and one of Madagascar's most special animals. This is a hammerhead shark. Hi, ocean explorers! The hammerhead shark is a very special shark with a funny hammer-shaped head. You can find a hammerhead shark in warm oceans near places like Hawaii, Australia, and Africa. This hammerhead shark loves to eat fish, squid, and sometimes crabs. It can live about 20 to 30 years. A hammerhead shark enjoys swimming in groups called schools, and its wide head helps it see better. Children love learning about this shark because it looks so unique and cool. Zoom across the desert and say hello to the big ostrich. Ostriches live in dry places like Africa and some parts of the Middle East. An ostrich eats plants, seeds, and small insects. It can live up to 40 years. Even though they can't fly, ostriches run super fast, faster than many animals. Can you say ostrich? Great job! Ostriches are tall, speedy, and super fun to learn about. Stabilize on this. This is a black bear.
Hello, forest adventurers.
The black bear is a strong and furry animal that lives in North America, especially in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. A black bear eats berries, fruits, fish, insects, and even honey. This black bear can live around 20 to 25 years. It loves climbing trees, swimming in rivers, and taking long naps. Kids remember the black bear because it looks big, but can be very playful and curious in the forest.